Does it speak?
Oh, no.
Does it speak? Speak.
Oh.
Does it speak? Does I love you? Dozer. I love you. I love you. I love you. No. Daisy gets hers first. Why does Daisy get hers first? Because Cooper eats his too fast.
You want a bite? Just a little lick. Just a little lick. Oh, just a little. Oh, I think you're pushing it. Is that good? Oh.
He just gets after it.
He's off to the race.
He's off to the races. Yeah, he used to just like gobble the whole thing down, but now he's, I don't know, he's got like ice cream etiquette going on here.
Huh? Who did this? Who did this? Einstein, was it you? Rideau? Did you do this? Rideau. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah? Are you sure you're a good boy? Huh? Did you eat poop today, Fido? Did you eat poop? Uh-huh. I knew it.
Halo? Did you do that to the pillow? To my Bosco pillow, did you do that? Halo?
I said no. No.
Let's go.